Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a link in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit sites.google.com. Then click on the website you want to add a link into. This is my website in Google Sites, and the first thing I will add a blank section. So I will insert this spacer. Then I will click on this text box, or I can directly do it. Yes, I can directly click on without having to add this divider. Directly go with text box. Okay, let's write my link text. For example, hey, you can download my ebook from here. Okay, let's select this download my ebook from here. Select the part of the text you want to turn into a link. Click on this link icon. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Download my ebook from here. Select the part of the text you want to turn into a link. Click on this link icon. This window pops up. Here you can either link to existing pages on your website or write an external link, for example, google.com. Click on apply, and just like this, this text turns into a link. Don't forget to hit publish and let's view the result live. And as you see now, if I click on this download my ebook from here text part, it sends me to Google. And this is how to add a link in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.